Hey guys, Zach Frazier here with North Star Builders Group doing a weekly construction update. Got a concrete pour this morning at 5 a.m. at Argyle Middle School. We're pouring our second level slab. I want to show you guys a little bit of what goes on during a concrete pour. What you see here is a concrete pump truck. For places that are hard to reach or trucks cannot access it, we have to use a pump. The trucks will pull up to the back of the pump, pour the concrete into a holding tank, then the operator will then place the concrete on top of the slab for the guys to use. Some people may or may not know why a concrete truck turns or rotates. There's three components that make up concrete: rock, water, and cement. It's actually mixing these together while also preventing it from setting up. By setting up, I mean hardening. Once the concrete hardens, we cannot use it. They have an hour and a half from the release of the plant to have the concrete in place. We also have a testing lab on site. The technician will use that wheelbarrow and go sample some concrete, bring it back to his truck and perform various tests. One of the things he wants to do is make sure that we don't have too much water in the concrete or not enough water. Another thing that I'd like to point out is safety. Safety is a main priority on a construction site. If you look closely up on the second level, you'll see safety cabling. We have tagged it and flagged it. That way people see it. Mainly the flagging is for people from the ground. If you're using a forklift to lift up materials to the second floor, we want to make sure that they do not clip the cabling. They want to make sure they see it. Also, for instance, these guys right here, they're going to be forming that concrete and smoothing it out and finishing it. We want to make sure that those guys don't accidentally back off the edge and fall and injure themselves. All right, we're up here on the second level. You see our concrete pump truck. We got our hose running across the deck, pouring out more concrete right there, as you see. Those guys are making it smooth, making it look just like the concrete in front of them. What you'll also see is the wire mesh. And what that is that goes inside the concrete, and that's going to prevent the concrete from breaking. We've reached one of the final stages of the concrete pouring process. These trial machines will work the concrete and get it to its desired finish. And the only thing left to do will be put down the curing blankets. You wet it with a water hose, and that process takes 7 days to cure.